Welcome to Ireland. We introduce Dublin-Airport Collections, your trusted companion across this captivating island. Our diverse fleet boasts everything from luxurious 8-seater minivans to premium coaches, including spacious 12 and 16-seater minibuses and expansive 32 and 50-seater coaches, ensuring we have the perfect vehicle for any group size. Our primary goal is to transform each journey into an experience as enriching and enjoyable as the destination itself. Hear from our satisfied customers. Harper shared this review. Fantastic bus ride with Dublin Airport Collections. From the moment we booked to the final drop-off, their service was impeccable. Luxurious, punctual, and incredibly comfortable. Highly recommend. Experiences like these are normal with Dublin Airport Collections. We're passionate about making every trip memorable. For every group, every occasion, Dublin Airport Collections is your trusted partner for group travel. Whether it's a corporate team heading to a business event, a family gathering to celebrate a special occasion, or a group of friends embarking on an adventure, we've got your group transfer needs covered. Our services are designed with groups in mind. Booking with us is easy. Simply visit our website, get a quote, and book online in just a few clicks. Start planning your group travel with Dublin Airport Collections today and experience the ease and convenience of our service firsthand. Dublin Airport Collections. Looking forward to welcoming you soon.